Hello students, in this video we will discuss your exercise 5.3 and its first sum. List the outcomes you can see in these experiments. Means we want to list the outcomes of this experiment. And the first one is spinning a wheel. Means we have this wheel and we want to find the possible outcomes when we will spin this wheel. So there are total 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D and again A. But in actual there are only 4 letters, that are A, B, C, D. So what are the possible outcomes? 4 means these are the possible outcomes. So after spinning a wheel we obtain outcomes A, B, C and D. I am repeating. We want to find the outcomes when we will spin this wheel. So there are total 5 outcomes but letters are 4. So the outcomes will also 4, that are A, B, C, D. So after spinning a wheel we obtain outcomes A, B, C and D. So our first part is done. And the second part is tossing 2 coins together. Means now we will toss 2 coins together. So when we will toss 2 coins together, then here is a formula to find the total outcomes, that is 2 raised to power n. For any number of coins there is a main formula to find the total outcomes, that is 2 raised to power n. 2, why? Because there are total 2 faces in a coin. First one is head and the second one is tail. So here 2 and n means number of coins. 2 are the faces, number of faces, and n means number of coins. So you can find the number of total outcomes with this method. Now we will discuss the possible outcomes when we will toss 2 coins together. After tossing 2 coins together we get the following outcomes. There may be head on the first coin and tail on the second coin. So our first possible outcome is HT, means head on first coin and tail on the second coin. And there may be head on both of the coins. So the possible outcome is HH, means head on both coins. And the third case may be TH, means there may be tail on the first coin and head on the second coin. So tail on first coin and head on the second coin. So the sample space is, or we can say possible outcome is TH. And there may be tail on both of the coins. So TT, tail on both of the coins. So with this method you can find the outcomes, possible outcomes of tossing 2 coins together.